everyone, my name is Courtney-Wallace. I'm a real estate agent. Here are 5 reasons why proof of funds are extremely important for viewing a property. As a real estate agent, one of our obligations is to ensure that the seller's home is safe. Let's be honest, not everybody who calls us to view is interested in buying. Therefore, we have to check your proof of funds to ensure that 1, you are a qualified buyer, and to be mindful of the seller's schedule as well in terms of assisting us to open up the home so that you can view the space. Our time matters. As agents, we have to ensure that the persons we're about to show the property can afford the property. Some of the mistakes that buyers make is after finding the home, that's when they attempt to get the pre-qualification letter. Or some persons misunderstand the concept of cash, thinking it can be paid in parts, and that's not quite how it works. Oftentimes, buyers find out that they qualify for less than the amount, or they get the amount from the bank but they do not have closing costs or deposits. Therefore, affordability is important for seeing through the buying process from start to finish. And let's face it, guys, time is money. One moment, please. Hello? Oh, their offer was accepted? Wonderful. Let's have the lawyers draft the sale agreement. One other reason why realtors have to check proof of funds before showing the property is not only affordability, but source of funds. With a lot of scams and frauds going around, we must check that the source of the funds being used to purchase the property are legitimate and coming from a legitimate registered means of business or employment. Otherwise, we'd be in breach of POCA laws and the Anti-Money Laundering Act here in Jamaica, and we'd also be complicit. And guys, I don't want to go to jail. Do you? Verifying proof of funds before showing a property also allows me to prioritize serious clients. The market is already competitive as it is. If you're interested in getting your offer in fast and efficient, why not have your documents prepared? Sometimes a pre-qual letter can take weeks. Imagine finding the home of your dreams and then trying to get the pre-qual letter, and then by the time you get the pre-qual letter, the house is sold. One of the documents needed to make an offer on a property is proof of funds. We literally cannot submit your offer without it. Therefore, we try our best to focus on buyers who are in a position to make an offer in the first place. This allows us to be more efficient with our time and to be able to assist more clients instead of focusing on clients that aren't able to purchase. However, don't fret. If you are not in a position to purchase right now, what I usually do as an agent is assist you with getting pre-qualifying. So while you might have missed this train, you will definitely catch the next. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you're watching this and you're interested in getting a pre-qualification letter or finding out more about the buying process, go ahead and contact me at 876-465-8811. We have a wide variety of bankers from different financial institutions ready to assist, and I am ready to sell you your dream home. Thanks for watching. Bye.